Alright, here's the noise I'm getting out of the stuffing box. I disconnected the coupler and put it in gear, and the noise is definitely not the transmission. It's coming from right in here. I use my stethoscope. Alright, put it in gear. Okay. Put it in gear and give it a little bit of gas. Okay. Alright, so you can hear that kind of noise. Now the other thing I noticed, really closely here, it looks like the stuffing hose, the whole thing, just got a little bit of a wobble to it. I've repacked this, I have no idea what's doing the noise. Alright, do it one more time, just in gear. Okay. Yeah, that noise seems to go away as I throttle up, or maybe I just can't hear it. So let me know what you think.